Okay, so we've got parallel lines. So there's a few things we're looking for. We're looking for either what we might call Z angles or F angles. So we've got an angle like that. We might have, angles there. So alternate angles or corresponding angles. So let's have a look at what we have. So we're trying to find out angle X. Now in these questions, again, if you're not sure what you're doing or you can't see how you'd get angle X, all I want you to do is to take any angles that you know and just write down what you know. If we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180, then we can work out this angle here. And this is going to be BEG. So we can say angle BEG equals 180 minus 110 minus 25. So 180 minus 110 minus 25 gives us 45. And you can put it onto your diagram. Okay, so here we're going to write angles on a straight line because it's asked us for the reasons. Add to 180 degrees. We then can look at alternate angles. Now remember, alternate angles are like your Z angle like that. Now this angle is going to be the same as this angle here. So if we do 45 plus 25, we get 70. And then we've got ABE equals 70 degrees, and that's called an alternate angle. Okay, so that's when you have those Z angles. But you can't write Z angles, it's not going to give you a mark for a reason. Now we've got another straight line and we can work out this angle. So that's EBG. So the reason they're written like that, it's always the middle one is where the angle is. So say EBG equals 180 minus 70 minus 35. Angles on a straight line. I think that's 75 degrees. And now we've got angles in a triangle, which we know add up to 180. So X, which is our last angle, is going to be 180 minus 45 minus 75, which is going to give you 60 degrees. And you would write angles in a triangle add to 180. Now there's obviously different ways to do this. You could have got there in a different method, but this would give you your 4 marks. Generally, you're going to have 4 lines.